vote harming. Let's talk about Polygon. And first thing first, we are going to go straight to check what is Polygon, which we all have to know this already. So this is just to brush up our mind about what we learned before. Right now we have Polygon here on this. So we are going to be reading out. Polygon is a layer 2 blockchain that aims to help Ethereum. So let's stop at that point. Then we are going to move to the second part that said Polygon does not aim to duplicate the Ethereum functionalities. Okay, instead, it helps to improve the transaction speed and lower cost of the developer. So that is where this problem lies. We are going to be focusing on this particular area that said lower cost for developer, lower the cost for developer. So welcome back to my channel, and this is hipyoungplug. This is going to take us back to the Twitter handle, and I've been talking about vote hidden for a very long time now. So if you are yet to subscribe, for a new viewer, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and for returning viewers, I love you all. Thanks so much for coming. Give this video a thumb like so it can be recommended to more vote timing while we talk about Polygon and how it's going to be benefiting the vote hidden area right now. So right now, the first thing we're going to do is to go straight there and check what we have about an hour ago, which said February be an incredible month so far. So this is the end of February at the time of making this particular video. So February has actually been an incredible month so far. So an update actually came that we will be buying back and burn some token by Wednesday, like short time now. So this should be coming up very soon. And we guess anytime a buyback or bond actually comes up on the vote hidden, there should be a massive pump in the cryptocurrency right now. So let's know the current crypto price is actually down. We all know that. So Pablo actually said, can we predict the end of March? So drop your prediction right here. So what do you think this can actually be, and how vote is actually going to be performing before the end of this month? Go straight to the comment section and drop your comment right there. So I'm going to relate to that, and let's check who is going to be winning what we have for the month already. So I'm going to move down here that said about 5 hours ago the voting actually came out and said only a few hours left before the vote start burning on Polygon on top of the existing bond and mechanism, just like that. And the main purpose of this is actually to get more viewers, more orders, and more followers into this platform. And I said earlier is to lower the cost for orders, for users also. So we have the Binance Smart Chain, we have the Ethereum blockchain. Now we are going to be having the Polygon to come into this. And I make an example of when the NFT was actually out. People actually using NFT from the Ethereum blockchain and also from the Polygon. So if you're actually using your Polygon, the charges for you to the gas fee is actually low. And when the Polygon actually comes out on this also, is going to be helping the gas fee to be low, and people can actually purchase more or vote hidden and bargain more. And you can also bag, I can also bag. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for my information and also an entertainment purpose. So my result may actually be different from other results. So do well to make more research or other research into this platform right now. So we have a new gaming platform that actually came in on the vote hidden, and a lot of people are actually streaming already. And the purpose of this is actually to get many people aware, because we know many people, a lot of orders and a lot of people actually going into gaming. You know, vote is actually moving into China, Indian, and thereabout now. And when people actually go into gaming also, and you're using a platform, a crypto platform to work on a game, the name is going to stick in you, and you're not going to be forgetting what is to said about this. So they said something right here that if you're actually thinking something is actually bad, let's see the transaction that we have on this. So right here we have to see that at this point about September 28th 2021 3 a.m. the market cap for this particular token was about $2 billion right here. So when it moved straight and it came out to this particular area that said October 30 2021 3 a.m. same time about a month ago, and it's actually skyrocketed to about 41 billion. So see a massive improvement in it. That was for Shiba Inu, and this is actually been saying that this can actually happen also for what Inu. So if you believe this might actually happen, but remember, invest wisely into this platform, because this is not the financial advice as usual. Now I'm going to go straight into the what hidden coin market cap, and let's see what we have. The price is currently down about 1.48%, and this is currently looking as if we have the same stuff right here at the price, but it is just a coincidence, just like that. And let's move further and let's see the market cap of this particular token decreased, about 1.5 due to the price and also the full day market cap. But there's something important right here we need to check, which is the volume. The volume increased about 21% right here, which means many people actually coming to actually bargain more for Volcano right there. So I'm going to go straight into the graph and let's check out the current order for Volcano. So let's go to the market and let's see the current market. We have the unit swap, we have the pancake swap already. Then let's check out the history. Current orders. So right now I'm going to check current orders on the Ethereum blockchain already. So current order on the Ethereum blockchain, we have about 20,000 people holding this particular token, which you can see directly from this site. And let's go back and let's check from what we have on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is the Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain was actually having more than the Ethereum blockchain already. So I know when the stuff actually comes out, we have 42 already. You can see right here we have 42 of these. So when the Polygon actually comes out, I know many people are actually going to go into Polygon and check. So I'll be making another video on this topic and check the advantages and disadvantages of the Polygon right there. But for now, let's sign up.